Hey CryptoFam, today I'm gonna show you how to make money from token unlocks and more importantly how to track them before the market reacts.
If you've been following me on Telegram and Twitter X, you probably saw how I profited from unlock events on tokens like AJT, FHE, Bank and many more. Links to my socials are in the description. I even dropped early short signals. So if you were paying attention, you could have made gains with me.
So let's start with the basics. What is a token unlock?
A token unlock is when previously locked tokens, for example tokens held by the team, early investors or funds, become available for sale. Why does this matter? When a large number of new tokens suddenly enter the market, the supply increases, and if demand doesn't grow at the same pace, the price usually goes down. Imagine someone suddenly listing 1 million tokens for sale. Others will likely start undercutting to sell before the price drops further.
Here's the basic idea of how to profit. You shoot tokens that are about to experience a big unlock. Let's take a look at a real example, AGT.
This token was part of the Binance Alpha trading competition, and 30 million AGT tokens were distributed as rewards to users who met the competition criteria. So, how did I know this would impact the price?
It's simple, let me break it down. But watch closely, pause or rewind if needed, cause once you learn this method, you'll use it forever. All unlocks follow the same logic.
We know the unlock, in this case rewards, was 30 million AGT tokens. Next we go to CoinMarketCap. I leave the link in the video description. And check. Market cap $20 million. 24 hours volume $4 million. Token price $0.0145. Now let's calculate the dollar value of the unlock. 30 million tokens times 0.0145. That gives us $435,000. Then we calculate what percentage of the market cap this is. $435,000 divided by $20 million times 100, that gives us 2.18% of market cap. And now, how much of the daily trading volume this represents? $435,000 divided by $4 million times 100, that gives us 10.88% of daily trading volume. So what does this tell us?
A 2.18% unlock compared to market cap and 10.88% compared to daily trading volume is significant. Most of these tokens will be sold immediately, not held. That creates sell pressure and usually leads to a price drop. But what other factors do I consider? Next thing I look at is the sentiment around the project.
I use CoinMarketCap to check the project's social media accounts and look at how the community feels. If the overall mood is negative, that adds extra selling pressure on the token. Third factor, market conditions. Are we in a bull market, a bear market, or a local trend like an uptrend or downtrend? This also matters. For example, if today AGT has a big unlock but Bitcoin is pumping like crazy, the impact might be minimal because Bitcoin often carries the whole market with it. In the case of AGT, the community sentiment was neutral. Altcoins were in a local downtrend because of Bitcoin dominance rising, and based on my calculations I expected the unlock to create strong sell pressure. So I decided to enter a short near the end of the trading competition. By the way, when the competition ends, that alone tends to drop the token's price.
Why? Because while competition is running, people are pumping the volume. When it ends, they stop, and price often dips.
So I entered the short with $100 margin using 10x leverage. I also set 4 limit orders of $50 each, spaced every 5% up, to average my entry in case the price moved against me. My plan was to hold until the rewards are distributed, almost 2 weeks. On this chart you can see where I entered and where I started to close my position in chunks. In total the token dropped over 60% in 2 weeks. You can check it. And that brought me around $600 profit from $100 investment.
Not bad, right? So where do I find tokens with upcoming unlocks or trading events?
First, Binance Alpha trading competition. Go to Binance, More, Alpha events, Competition. There you will see the full list of token taking part with reward pools and end dates. Second, Bybit Token Splash. You can often find good short candidates there too. On Bybit, go to More, Token Splash. You will see the ongoing events, price details and when rewards will be distributed. Third, Dropstat. I leave the link in the video description. It's super convenient, shows a timer for each unlock, the token involved, and the unlock percentage. However, tokens listed on this platform are rarely sold immediately after unlocking, which is why I rarely short unlocks from Dropstop based data.
Bonus tip: remember CoinMarketCap. You can also use it to check where futures are available for a token.
Just search the token, go to Markets, Perpetual, and it will show you which exchanges have futures. This is crucial cause many low-cap tokens don't have futures on every platform. In the case of AGT we were lucky. It was listed on multiple top-tier exchanges. One more tip: I also strongly recommend opening and closing trades using only limit orders. In a separate video I'll explain why using limit orders is so important, how to use them effectively, and how they can help you protect your capital.
And finally, if you are watching this video, it probably means you are curious about trading.
Does it really make money?
If yes, then how much? And who are the people actually making money from it? Is it even worth your time? Well, you probably won't find a better video that answers these questions and more in just 11 minutes. After watching it, you'll have a clear idea. Is trading the right kind of income stream for you? How much time does it actually take? Where should you start? What trading strategies work best? Where can you find a community of beginner traders like yourself? Can this replace a regular job or not? All of that and more covered in one short video. The link is in the description, make sure to check it out. That's it for today. Hope this video helped you to understand how to trade unlocks and catch solid short opportunities. Drop your questions in the comments and let me know what topics you would like me to cover next. This was Crypto Moves. Master the move, master the market. See you next time.